Good morning. Today we are going to learn teletraffic engineering. So firstly we discuss about traffic theory. Traffic theory covers specific types of random processes in telecommunication, that is average connection duration, average number of users, busy time, service time, call arrival. Traffic engineering required in telecommunication network planning to ensure that network costs are minimized without compromising the quality of service delivered to the user of the network. It is based on probability theory and can be used to analyze mobile radio networks as well as other telecommunication networks. Mobile radio networks have traffic issues that do not arise in the fixed line PSTN. A mobile handset moving in a cell receives a signals with varying strength. This signal strength is subject to slow fading, fast fading, interference from other signals. Traffic engineering balances the following factors on given amount of traffic. First is grade of services GOS and next is resources, example trunk channels. Two types of system implemented to provide voice communication: blocking, voice or data is blocked if network resources is not available. Second is grade of services blocking probability. Delay system, voice or data is queued until network resource is available. GOS, grade of services equal to queuing probability and average time in queue. Holding time. Holding time is the length of time that a resource is being held. Example, duration of phone call. Traffic volume for an interval is the sum of all the traffic holding times for that interval. So traffic intensity is equal to traffic volume by time interval, which is measured of demand. Traffic engineering. Erlang's Erlang's describe traffic intensity in terms of number of hours of resource time required per hour of elapsed time. Centum call second CCS measures the exact same traffic intensity as the Erlang's but expresses it as the number of 100-second holding time required per hour. Traffic registers samples stations every 100 seconds per hour to check for busiest, since there are 36 sets of 100 second in hour. So 36 CCS is equal to 1 Erlang's. Traffic measurement units. Erlang's is the unit of traffic measurement. Traffic intensity is the average number of calls simultaneously in progress over the certain time. It is dimensionless. 1 hour of continuous use of one channel is equal to 1 air length. 1 air length is equal to 1 hour 60 minutes of traffic. In data communication, 1 air length is equal to 64 kb per second of data. In telephone traffic, 1 air length is equal to 60 minute is equal to 1 into 3600 call second. Air length example. For example, if group of users made 30 calls in 1 hour, and each call had average call duration of 5 minutes. Then the number of air lengths. This represents the worked out as follows: minute of traffic in the hour is equal to 30 cross 5. Minutes of traffic in the hour is equal to 30 cross 5 is equal to 150. Hours of traffic in the hour 150 by 60 is equal to 2.5. So traffic figure is equal to 2.5 air lengths. Call holding time. Call holding time is the length of time during which traffic source engages a traffic path or channel. Busy hour. Busy hour is the continuous 60-minute time span of the day during which the highest usage occurs. Busy hour may not occur at the same time every day. It depends on weekly variation, weekend variation, or seasonal variation. Mathematical formula assumes the busy hour traffic intensity is the average of an infinite number of busy hours. Busy hour ADPH, average daily peak hour. Time consistent busy hour, fixed daily measurement hour. So these are the types of busy hour. Average daily peak busy hour is one determines the busiest hour separately for each day, different time for different days, and then average over example 10 days. The resolution of the start time of the busy hour may be either a full hour or quarter of an hour. Time constant busy hour, a period of 1 hour, the same of each day, which gives the greatest average traffic over example 10 days. Fixed daily measurement hour, a predetermined fixed measurement hour, the measurement traffic is average over example 10 days. Traffic density or traffic intensity. Firstly, we discuss traffic density. It is defined as the number of simultaneous call at a given moment. Traffic intensity represents the average traffic density during any 1 hour period. Occupancy is any use of traffic resources regardless of whether or not a connection call is completed. Occupancy is the probability of finding the trunk based is equal to proportion of time for each for which the trunk is busy. Loss and delay system. A loss system is one in which a call attempt is rejected when there is no ideal resource to serve the call. BCC, blocked call cleared. A delay system is one in which the call attempts are held in a waiting queue until resources are available to serve the call is called delay system. Offered traffic and blocked traffic. Offered, carried, and blocked traffic. Offered traffic is the traffic intensity that would occur if all traffic submitted to group of circuits could be processed. Carried traffic is the traffic intensity actually handled by the group. Blocked traffic is the portion of traffic that cannot be processed by the group of circuits. System utilization. There is a diagram. So here again, traffic intensity is measures of average occupancy of the resource during a special period of time. Normally a busy hour, the traffic intensity offered by each user A is equal to mu h at length. H is the average holding time of a call. Mu is the average number of call requested per hour. The traffic intensity per channel AC is equal to mu A by C. Traffic flow is equal to number of calls into mean holding time. If 100 calls are generated in 1 hour of 3 minutes average duration, we have 3 into 100 is equal to 300 call minutes, or 300 by 60 is equal to 50 call hour. The international dimensionless unit of telephone traffic is called airlength. 1 airlength is equal to 1 call hour. Airlength is equal to call per busy hour into mean call holding time. 1 airlength is equal to 36 CCS. These are some examples related to traffic intensity. Solution are also given. So firstly example 1, next example 2, it is also related to traffic intensity. Example 3, it's also a traffic intensity example. Next is example 4, and last one is example 5. All are related to traffic intensity. Grade of service. Grade of service is a measure of probability that a percentage of the offered traffic will be blocked or delayed. The ability to interconnect users, the rapidity with which that connection is made, commonly expressed as the fraction of calls or demand, fails to receive immediate service, blocked call, is forced to wait longer than a given time. Grade of service represented by B. B is equal to lost traffic by offered traffic, or lost call by offered call. Grade of service, a measure of performance of a telephone system. Grade of service is a measure of ability for a user to access a trunk system during the busiest hour. Also, an indication of the user not being able to secure a channel during the busiest hour. Telephone networks are designed with specified grade of service, usually for the busiest hour. If a subscriber is able to make a call during the busiest hour, we will be able to make a call at any other time. So we have already discussed grade of service. B is used to observe and measure how many calls are offered, carried and lost in the system. So B is equal to number of call lost by number of call offered, traffic lost by traffic offered. The lower this number, the higher the GOS, grade of service. Offered traffic is equal to carried traffic plus overflow. The carried traffic, the actual traffic carried by switch. Busy hour call attempts, BHCA, used to evaluate and plan capacity for telephone networks. BHCA is the number of telephone calls made at peak hour. The higher the BHCA, the higher the stress on network processes. For example, if GOS is equal to 0.05, one call in 20 will be blocked during the busiest hour because of insufficient capacity. For GOS is 0.02, this means that two users of the circuit group out of 100 will encounter a call refusal during the busy hour. So there is a sixth example including grade of service and congestion time. Solution of the example 6. Example 7 also based on traffic intensity. Solution of the previous example 7.